Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum to everyone. How are you all students? How are you going? Everything is good, right? So students, we are in this topic. We have been studied transpiration in our last topic, and now we are going to start a new topic that is known as support in plants or turgid cells and flaccid cells. So students, let's just begin. After this, I'll tell you something about transpiration and how transpiration occurs. Transpiration is a process that occurs in plants due to leaves, due to stem, ठीक and due to roots. So this is the main process how evaporation occurs. How evaporation occurs, what stomata do, and how exchange of gases takes place at night, at daytimes. That all has been explained in transportation. So in today's topic, let's just begin. What are we going to start is support in plants. How plants have been supported. Plants have been supported by roots, by stem, by veins. Each and every part is important in supporting system. Okay, now the leaves of plants need to get as much light as they can for photosynthesis. The leaves of plants, the leaves need as much leaves. Now what leaves need? Leaves need light. Why they need light? Why they need water? Because they need light and water to prepare their food, and that process is known as photosynthesis process. Flower must be held up in the air so they can be pollinated. Flower must be held up in the air. Why? So they may be pollinated by wind or passing insects. फ्लावर्स एयर में क्यों होते हैं? बिकॉज वो पॉलिनेटेड हो जाएं और इंसेक्ट्स उनके पास आएँ, ताकि उनके अंदर जो सीड्स होते हैं वो डिस्पर्स हों. जब डिस्पर्स होंगे उन इंसेक्ट्स की वजह से, तभी न्यू प्लांट जो होगा निकलेगा. ठीक है ना. क्या कह रहे हैं? लीव्स में क्या होता है? फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस होता है. ठीक है, ये कह दिया. फिर कह रहे हैं फ्लावर्स जो होते हैं हेल्ड इन द एयर, कि वो पॉलिनेटेड हो जाएं पासिंग इंसेक्ट्स से. ठीक है. नाउ प्लांट्स आर सपोर्टेड बाय द फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ वेस्कुलर बंडल्स. प्लांट्स को किसने सपोर्ट किया हुआ है? वेस्कुलर बंडल्स ने. ठीक है. कॉल्ड वेन्स. वेन्स का क्या प्रोसेस होता है? वेन्स जो होती हैं, दिस इज लीव्स एंड दीज आर वेन्स. व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ वेन्स? ठीक है. वेन्स मेरा हुआ वेस्कुलर बंडल एंड यूज टू कैरी वाटर टू फोटोसिंथेसिस सेल एंड कैरी sugar away. Veins also support to leaf. Veins is made up of xylem to carry water into the leaves and phloem to carry sugar out. So veins provide a skeleton or provide a full shape to the leaf. It is called veins. Cells within framework are supported by the water pressure inside them. Now what is it saying? Okay, plants are supported by framework of vascular bundles, also called veins. And what are veins? I have been told you. Okay, they perform a shape, they form a skeleton. They are used to transfer food, minerals, okay, and water inside and outside each and every part of the plant. Now cells within the framework are supported by the water pressure inside them. Cells are supported by the water pressure. Cells are supported by the pressure that is present inside them. Now xylem tubes is vascular bundles. Xylem. Now what xylem do? Xylem is used to carry water from roots to the stem and then stored from stem to the leaf and each and every part of the plant. Xylem tubes, vascular bundles, have thick, strong walls which makes them ideal for supporting plants. They are thick, which are used because they are strong. They have thick walls which make them ideal for supporting plants. They are like a skeleton running all around the plant from end of the roots to the tips of leaves. Xylem tubes are present inside a leaf, inside a plant, each and every area. They spread up and they give a skeleton and they give a shape to a leaf, and they're running all over the plant from end of the root to the leaf. Now this is the veins in the celery stalk. What is stalk? Stalk is the here stalk is present. This is stalk. This is stalk. ठीक है. The veins in the celery stalk in the ciliary stalks are just below the outer layer of cell. It just below the outer layer of cells. Now veins spread out across a leaf to hold it flat. Veins, these are veins, these veins are spread out across a leaf. Why they are spread? To hold it flat. Because as you can saw leaf, it is flat in shape, right? The veins are spread out to hold it flat. The leaf can then absorb lots of light from photosynthesis. As they are flat, they can absorb sunlight from for the process known as photosynthesis. Now what is this? This is why leaves are spread, because they form a flat surface due to which they can absorb light. They are vascular bundles. This is stem and this is roots. ठीक है. Now veins are close together. They are very close to each other to squeeze through narrow parts like a leaf stalk. They are close to the stalk, leaf stalk parts, and they are squeezes through narrow. They are squeezes. They together become squeeze, and they are narrow parts like leaf and stalk. In the stem, the veins are arranged in a ring around in the stem. Now in the stem, veins are arranged in a ring rounds. The outside that enables the stem to stand up to wind that could blow the plant over. Now इसमें भी veins present होते हैं. इसमें क्या होता है? It enable the stem. ये stem को enable करता है कि वो क्या कर सके, wind को क्या कर सके, that stand up to wind, कि वो जो हो सकता है वो उसको क्या करता है एक जगह में. जैसे कि ये लीफ है, इसने क्या किया हुआ है, नहीं, स्टेम ने क्या किया हुआ है, लीफ को, फ्लावर्स को, प्लांट को होल्ड अप किया हुआ है ताकि वो जो हो हवा की या विंड की वजह से या किसी भी तेज़ हवा या किसी भी आंधी की वजह से वो ज़्यादा जो है वो डिस्ट्रॉय ना हो सकें. ठीक है ना. उसमें वो वेन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं इनसाइड अ स्टेम और वो उसको होल्ड करता है फ्लावर्स को और लीफ को मदद करने में. ठीक है. If a wind blows. Now what veins do? Veins around throughout the middle of roots. Now roots may inside, outside, in the middle, veins are present. Now what is the purpose? Now as much as support is needed, it gives support. It gives support to the roots because the soil holds the roots in place. Because the soil is where roots are present. It holds the roots in the place. That's why it is supported. It gives support. ठीक है. Veins give support to the roots and stem support flower and leaves. Now what is turgid cell and what are flaccid cell? This is a turgid cell and this is how flaccid cell look like. Now when a plant has plenty of water, when a plant को जब हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वाटर दें, एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट में वाटर दे दें जितना उसको चाहिए भी नहीं, तो व्हाट हैपन, द वाटर विल इंटर ईच ऑफ इट सेल बाय ऑस्मोसिस. राइट. ऑस्मोसिस इज अ प्रोसेस जिसके थ्रू वाटर इंटर होता है इनटू द सेल्स, इनटू द प्लांट. द वाटर इंटर द वैक्यूल कॉजिंग द सेल. वाटर इसके अंदर इंटर होगा सेल्स के अंदर. ठीक है. एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट में कॉजिंग द सेल टू एक्सपेंड. वो सेल को क्या करेगा, एक्सपेंड करेगा. ठीक है. टर्जिड सेल में क्या होगा, ज़्यादा से वाटर होगा, जब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वाटर होगा तो सेल एक्सपेंड हो जाएगा. ठीक है. सेल एक्सपेंड होगा, सेल कॉन्टेंट्स पुश आउट अगेंस्ट द स्ट्रॉन्ग सेलुलोज. ठीक है ना. जब पुश आउट होगा इसका ग्रेटर साइज होगा. जब ये ग्रेटर साइज होगा तो ये क्या करेगा, पुश करेगा अगेंस्ट द सेलुलोज और सेल वॉल. ठीक है. अगेंस्ट सेल वॉल और सेलुलोज पुश करेगा एंड मेकिंग सेल टर्जिड. टर्जिड मीन्स के ब्रॉडर. जब ज़्यादा पानी होगा तो ये स्किन इसकी ज़्यादा ब्रॉडर हो जाएगी. ठीक है. फैल जाएगा. इफ़ अ प्लांट डज नॉट गेट अ गुड सप्लाई ऑफ वाटर. ना इफ़ अगर वाटर को ज़्यादा सप्लाई ऑफ वाटर ना दिया जाए तो वो ऐसे श्रिंक हो जाएगा, एक्स्ट्रा श्रिंक. ठीक है. जब ज़्यादा पानी देंगे तो ज़्यादा फूल जाएगा और नहीं देंगे तो एक्स्ट्रा श्रिंक हो जाएगा. ठीक है. वाटर लीव्स द सेल. वाटर जब प्लांट को वाटर नहीं मिलेगा तो वाटर क्या होगा, लीव्स में नहीं होगा, वाटर लीव कर देगा सेल्स को, causing them to go floppy or flaccid. This is how it look like, and when the water is not given to it, it looks like flossy and flaccid. So, and then it gives no support and plants wilts. प्लांट्स मुरझा जाते हैं अगर उनको पानी ना दिया जाए, एक्स्ट्रा पानी दिया जाए तो वो ऐसे हो जाते हैं, एक्स्ट्रा पानी से वो ऐसे पड़ जाते हैं. The leaf get its support from the turgid cell around the skeleton of the veins. The leaves get its support. This is how leaf look like when it's gain extra amount of water, and then this is how when leaf doesn't get any water. This is the example of turgid cell and this is example of flaccid cell. Now these are the some exercise questions from this topic. question 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, and you have to answer it. What do leaves and flower need support? Why leaves and flower need support? Why does they need support? Explain what vascular bundles, how a vascular bundle supports a plant. ठीक है. Give one place where vascular bundles are close together and when they are spread out. Explain how plant cells become turgid. How plant become turgid, जब उनको ज़्यादा पानी दिया जाए, and what is writing and what cause it is. जब ज़्यादा पानी दिया जाए और उसका cause क्या होता है, ये फैल जाता है, ये सारा इसमें लिखना है. Okay. And this is here we can find question number 1, 2, okay, and 3 also. So this is the end of our lecture. I hope you can understand this topic. So till then, take care and Allah Hafiz. We will meet in our next lecture.